from here you will find connection.
Yeah.
The G sub O, 0, Y, M, U, and ZZ. Okay. From here, G and G is 24 volts DC. In case of emergency, you must connect wire.
Emergency.
Yeah.
Emergency. Where use?
You must need to connect wire from G going to the ZZ here. You must connect wire from here going to ZZ.
Emergency.
If you connect here ZZ, this will give open.
Open.
Okay. This is the how to manually open the electronic expansion valve. From here, you will find the connection from here. You see, I have here connection. GO, G. This is 24 volts. Then I have here Y, M, U, and ZC. If you put wire here on G and connect
G
on
to
ZZ here,
manual operation.
this electronic expansion valve will be open at 100% open. That is how this expansion valve is. Okay guys, that's it. In case of emergency, you will open the valve manually. With me, my chief engineer, Chinese one. What's your name?
Shuri phone.
Shubi Fu.
Yeah.
Okay. That is how you connect. And this is the connection. See? That is the connection also here. For the meantime, I'm going to install this expansion valve to operate it in manual operation.